When it comes to cooking, the right kitchen tools can make all the difference. Introducing this Cupertino 2-quart nonstick saucepan with lid, a must-have piece for anyone looking to elevate their culinary game. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone just starting out in the kitchen, this small saucepan will be your new best friend. With an exceptional blend of performance, durability, and design, it solves some of the most common cooking problems, making your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and efficient. Why choose the Cupertino 2-quart nonstick saucepan? The Cupertino 2-quart nonstick saucepan is not your average cookware. It's designed to make cooking a breeze while ensuring that every meal is cooked to perfection. With induction compatibility, dishwasher-safe convenience, and a copper nonstick coating, this saucepan takes your cooking experience to the next level. Whether you're simmering sauces, boiling pasta, or reheating leftovers, this saucepan promises to deliver incredible results every time. Here's why it's a must-have. Whether you're using gas stoves, electric induction, or an open flame, the Cupertino saucepan works seamlessly on all types of cooktops. Its induction-compatible base ensures that it will heat quickly and evenly, no matter what stove you use. One of the standout features of this saucepan is its triple scratch-resistant copper non-stick coating. This eco-friendly coating ensures that food slides off effortlessly without the need for extra oils or butter. Not only does this make your meals healthier, but it also simplifies cleanup. Thanks to its thick induction-compatible bottom, the Cupertino saucepan ensures even heat distribution during cooking, allowing for faster cooking times and better energy efficiency. It reduces the risk of hot spots that can burn food, providing a more reliable cooking experience. The heat-resistant Bakelite handle is designed for a comfortable and secure grip while cooking. It protects your hand from the heat, making it safe to handle your cookware even when it's hot. No more worrying about burns or discomfort when stirring or transferring the pan. The tempered glass lid lets you observe your cooking without lifting the lid, allowing you to keep track of your food's progress. The vent hole in the lid allows steam to escape, preventing pressure buildup and ensuring safer cooking. Thanks to the excellent non-stick performance and rivetless interior, cleaning this saucepan is a breeze. Simply wipe it clean or rinse it with water, and you're good to go. It's also dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after cooking. Benefits of the Cupertino 2-quart nonstick saucepan. Healthier cooking. The nonstick coating ensures that you can cook with less oil, making your meals healthier. It also helps you achieve the perfect texture and taste every time, whether you're making a delicate sauce or a savory stew. Fast and efficient cooking. Thanks to the even heat distribution and quick heat-up time, cooking with the Cupertino saucepan is faster and more energy efficient. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or simmering a sauce, this pot cuts down cooking time significantly. Safe and comfortable handling. The ergonomically designed Bakelite handle provides a secure grip while keeping your hand safe from heat. The heat-resistant handle ensures that you won't have to worry about burns or accidents while cooking. Ideal for the following customers: home cooks and beginners. If you're someone new to cooking, this saucepan is perfect for you. With its user-friendly features and non-stick coating, you'll be able to create meals with ease, without worrying about food sticking or burning. It's a great addition to any home cook's arsenal. Experienced chefs. For seasoned chefs, the Cupertino saucepan is a reliable, versatile addition to your cookware collection. It's designed for professional-grade performance, giving you the power to achieve precise cooking every time. Health-conscious cooks. If you're looking to reduce your oil consumption or make your meals healthier, the non-stick copper coating of this saucepan is ideal. It allows you to cook with minimal fats while still achieving excellent food release. Busy professionals and parents. With its easy-to-clean surface and quick heat-up time, the Cupertino saucepan is perfect for those with tight schedules. Get more done in less time without sacrificing quality. This saucepan is a must-have due to its durability, hard anodized exterior and scratch-resistant copper coating, eco-friendliness, PFOA-free non-stick coating for safe cooking, versatility, oven-safe up to 302 drawer for added cooking flexibility. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.